Everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to copy a Discord server. Now you can create a duplicate of your Discord server by using the server templates feature. Now here's how you do it. To create a server template, go to the server settings. Now in the server you want to duplicate. In the server you want to duplicate, click on the server settings icon, which is the gear icon at the bottom left corner, and then you scroll down and find the server template section. Next, you have to create a template based on the current structure of your server, including channels, roles, and permission, by clicking generate template. And next, go to the create server screen, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of Discord and select create server. Next, you have to select the template you generated from the list. So after selecting the template generated for the list, the next thing you can do is customize. This is optional. You can change the server name, icon, and region. Next, you can create a new server with the same structure as your original server by just clicking, after customizing, just simply click create server. And that's it. That is how to copy a Discord server. Now, this feature that we're talking about here, that is the server template, only copy the structure. It only copies the structure of the server, that is the channels, the roles, the permissions. It does not copy the messages, the files, or the members list. Now, you must note that you have to be the server owner or have the managed server permission before you can create server templates. Now, this method that I just told you allows you to quickly create a new server with the same organizational structure as your existing one, saving you the time and effort if needed in setting up channels, roles, and permission. I hope this video helps you to copy a Discord server successfully. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next video.